Well, hello everyone. My name is Jose Yamil. I am businessman. I had a small business in Brussels Villa. I love my job, but sometimes I feel that I spend too much time at home inside of the store because customers always need much attention, so I can never leave the stores. So when I want to take vacation, it's pretty hard because I had to make a schedule for my employments and I had to find someone who replace me. So I try I try not to go in vacation too much, but the good thing about my job is the money you can get because you earn more money is as a businessman than as an employment. I don't really mind to change my profession. For example, I would like to be a pilot. I had some pilot friends and they told me that this job is amazing cause they don't spend too much too much time studying their career, so the time is short before start to work, which is good because some professions need too much time of study. Another thing is you can get free tickets more than 10 times for year, so you can travel a lot and go wherever you want. Also, you can meet new people, passenger steward. It is true, not everything is always this good. There are some disadvantages too. For example, when you start flying by an airline, usually you start flying in the hardest schedule. So at the beginning you have to bet hard work, then everything is getting better. I think the best summer job is pilot because you can visit many places during the summer time and enjoy time outside, so you can go to restaurant, to festival, even if you are flying your plane, you can enjoy the beautiful views. Thank you teacher, thank you guys, bye.